Hey guys, so quick video on how you can reset the Whirlpool duet dryer. So it's super simple. The first thing that you want to do, you just want to unplug the dryer to completely disconnect electric power. So unplug it for about, I don't even think that 1 minute is going to be sufficient. Leave it unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes. And after those 5 to 10 minutes, then you just want to plug it back in. And that's what you want to do. Plug the power cord back in or reset the house circuit breaker and it should work out. So this is how you can actually reset it and how you can reset it. So also what you can locate is that if you're going to find a reset button on the control panel or in the back of the dryer. So the one thing you can do also locate the reset button if you have it on where you're gonna have the programs and everything. There you're gonna find like the reset.